standard. So children, let us today discuss on the new topic, that is active voice and passive voice. I hope you have learned in your previous class also. Let us once again revise here children. So children, we will also learn how to change the sentence from active voice to passive voice in this session. Okay. So before that, let us study the following sentences. After that, you will easily understand what is active voice and what is passive voice, and how we can change the sentence from active voice to passive voice. So children, the first sentence here, bees make honey. So the verb make in the first sentence, sentence 1, the verb make shows the subject bees. So it is the bee, it is the subject here, subject for that is bees. The verb shows the subject bees perform an action, that is the subject is the doer here, the subject is the doer. So the verb make, in the sentence 1. So the verb make in the sentence 1 is therefore said to be in the active voice. Is said to be in the active voice. And in sentence 2, honey is made by bees. So the verb, the sentence 2, is made. The verb is made shows that an action done upon the subject. Done upon the subject, honey. So which is the subject here? Honey. So done upon the subject, honey. The verb is made is therefore said to be in the passive voice. So children, when the verb shows the subject does an action, the verb is said to be in the active voice. Okay. When the verb shows the subject does an action, which is the subject here? Bees. When the verb shows the subject does an action, it is said to be in the active voice. And when the verb shows the subject is honey here. When the verb shows the subject receives the action, it is said to be in the passive voice. So one example sentence I write for children, you will understand. So the example is Samir makes a kite. So it is in active voice. So the verb makes here, it is in the active voice. The object of the, so kite is the object here. So the object of the verb in a active voice becomes the subject in the, so it becomes the subject in the verb of the passive voice. So when we change the sentence from active to passive, the object becomes the subject there. So that is a kite is made by Samir. So like this we can change from active to passive voice. The object of the verb in the active voice becomes the subject in the verb of the passive voice. Okay children, I hope you have understood. So when the verb shows the subject does the action, so it is in the active voice. When the verb shows that the subject receives the action, when the subject receives the action, it is said to be in the passive voice. Okay children, I hope you have understood. In the next class, let us do few exercises on passive and active voice, so you will understand easily.